This video is just for educational purpose. This is not a financial advice. Pocket Option and Olymp Trade are both popular platforms for online trading, but they cater to different trading styles. Pocket Option is best known for its fast-paced binary options trades starting from 30 seconds, a wide range of over 100 assets, and a beginner-friendly interface with social trading features. It's ideal for those who want quick, high risk, high reward trades. However, it's not regulated by top tier authorities, which makes it riskier for serious investors. Olymp Trade, by contrast, offers both fixed time and forex style trading with more emphasis on education, built in market analysis, and a polished interface. It's a better fit for traders seeking a more structured approach. While both platforms have low deposit requirements, mobile apps, and demo accounts, neither is backed by major financial regulators, meaning you're trading without strong protections. Bottom line, Pocket Option suits thrill-seeking traders looking for speed, while Olymp Trade may appeal to those wanting more tools and guidance, but both should be used with caution. Always remember, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research first.